Hello, my name is Justin Scott, and I will be talking about a relationship between blood perfusion and pressure, a study with wheelchair users and able-bodied individuals. First, I'd like to talk about pressure ulcers, which are soft tissue injuries caused by sustained seated pressures and reduced blood perfusion in wheelchair users. Up to 47% of wheelchair users in care facilities experience them, and about a third of pressure ulcers occur in the buttocks. Back recline and whole body tilt are the two most commonly used movements to reduce pressure on the buttocks and minimize the risk of pressure ulcers. Therefore, the goals of this study were to quantify trends in pressure and perfusion data in the buttocks of wheelchair users during seat back recline, whole body tilt, and isolated seat pant tilt movements. To do this, we tested 20 able-bodied individuals and 10 wheelchair users. We designed and built a chair with independently rotating back and seat pant supports, as seen on the left. These movements were driven by motors, and we established 3 levels of back recline and seat pan tilt, as seen in the upper right. Finally, the participants sat in the chair, and we obtained pressure distribution data on the back and seat pan supports at every combination of back recline and seat pan tilt. Pressures were split into 5 body regions, as seen in the bottom right, and the maximum pressure areas in each region were found, indicated by the white boxes. I will focus on the trends in the buttocks. Further, we collected 30 seconds of perfusion data on the buttocks in each combination of back recline and seat pan tilt. We found that increasing back recline increased the maximum pressure on the buttocks for both groups, while increasing the seat pan tilt decreased the maximum pressure on the buttocks for both groups. The same trends in the buttocks were also seen in the lower back. We also found movement-related trends in perfusion of able-bodied individuals. Increasing seat pan tilt increased the perfusion in the buttocks of able-bodied individuals, while there were no group trends in wheelchair users. However, wheelchair users could be split into 2 groups. One group had lower maximum pressures in the buttocks than the second group. The group with the lower maximum pressures in the buttocks had an increase in perfusion with seat pan tilt, while the group with higher maximum pressures did not. Thus, we were able to evaluate the proposed movements. We saw that back recline, although commonly used to reduce pressure in the buttocks, actually increases it. We also saw that an isolated seat pan tilt decreases pressure in the buttocks and also has evidence of increasing perfusion. This movement can be used with other pressure-reducing methods to increase perfusion in the buttocks and ultimately mitigate pressure ulcer risk. Thank you to all of my colleagues in the BDRL, and this project was funded by NSF. Thank you.